Welcome to Mini Banana Keto Family. Let's play.
I love you, Mommy, yes I do. You make my skies so bright and blue. With every hug and kiss so sweet, you fill my heart with happy beats. Mommy, Mommy, you're my star, shining brightly near and far. When I laugh or when I cry, you are always by my side. We can dance and we can play, laugh together every day, holding hands and singing too. Mommy, I really love you. When the moon shines in the night, you tuck me in and hold me tight. Sweet dreams come so easily, because your love is here with me. I love you, Mommy, big and true. There's no one else as kind as you. Forever and forevermore, I love you more and more. We can dance and we can play, laugh together every day, holding hands and singing too. Mommy, I really love you.
Thanks for watching! Please like and subscribe. See you next time!